This video shows about the die-casting aluminum LED liquid light. The light comes with full DMX control with RDM compatibility. We have warm white, cool white, RGB, RGBW or RGBAL. A big LCD touchscreen to let you easily operation control the fixture. 4 kinds of dimmer curve optional and frequency adjustable from 500 Hz to 25,000 Hz. Flicker-free on the camera. High CRI over 95 help to make performer look natural. Suit any television studio, broadcast news, or live theater project. With 4 pieces of shutter leaf produce very sharp edge, nice flat field. It also can project the amazing custom-made gobo effect.